Hey guys, welcome to the channel. And if you are new here, please do not forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any videos from us. Are you tired of fighting frizz? Are you ready for a super sleek, put together look? The secret lies in mastering packing gel hairstyles. This stuff is your ultimate tool for getting that flawless finish that genuinely lasts all day. So let's jump right into the best styles. First up, the classic and always polished sleek back bun. It's pure class. Just comb your hair back smooth, apply the gel thinly, and twist it up high or low. The result is instant professionalism. Next, give your look a burst of energy with a high ponytail. Use the gel around your edges to eliminate every single bump for a sharp, clean lift. Take a tiny piece of hair and wrap it around the tie for a custom finish. And for those rocking their natural curls, try Define Puff. Gel is fantastic for sculpting, adding brilliant shine and making that beautiful volume pop. Just don't forget to lay those delicate baby hairs to frame your face perfectly. Continue watching this video till the end to see all the beautiful packing gel hairstyle we have created just for you. And if you found this video helpful, please do well to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.